Hi, we're on my sets. We're shooting a song for the film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. It's called the Breakup Song. Excuse me. Are you now? Are you the director of the film or the director of cinematography? What are you doing?
They got us.
Oh, they call. Oh, as in us. What were we doing?
Yes.
Weren't anything.
Hi.
This is Ranbir Kapoor. Welcome to the sets of the name of the film.
Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
And
He
you
was actually deciding to call the film just Ae Dil, and then his very good friend Aditya Chopra put some sense in him and said, "What is Ae Dil? Oh heart. It has to have some saying, right?" What did he tell you? What was the exact line?
He fired me and said I should go back to the core title of the film. I was trying to be cool and young about it and call it Ae Dil, and we went back to Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
कहानी है प्यार और दोस्ती के रिश्ते की. प्यार हमारा हीरो, दोस्ती हमारी हीरोइन.
What are you playing in the film?
I'm playing Karan Johar. It's actually a biopic that he has made. It's about unrequited love.
Unrequited.
Unrequited love. And since you know Karan through all his blogs, his very famous blogs that he writes for NDTV, he's a frustrated 50-year-old virgin. So I am playing him.
And you are playing a frustrated 50-year-old virgin? Firstly, I'm 44 and not 50.
Really? That big party that you had 5 years back, was it your 50th birthday?
No.
Oh, okay. I love Karan. Ask more.
So you've had fun, you've got the moves, you've got the grooves, you're waiting for Anushka Sharma. She hasn't really got on set as yet. We're shooting this big silent disco where Ranbir, Anushka, Imran and Lisa break into this big bad Bollywood number. We are very excited to report only for NDTV from the sets of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. The film is a Diwali release. Are you excited, Ranbir?
Yes, of course. It's actually my first festival release. Otherwise, most of my films are only aspiring to go to...
You haven't had festival before.
Have I what?
Okay, tell us about the song. We're shooting at a silent disco.
Have you been to a silent film, silent music festival?
I did. That's how I got the idea. I was walking through New York when I saw people dancing to nothing, and I was quite intrigued. They had headphones on and they were dancing, and I was told it was what a silent music festival or a silent disco is all about. So we tried to create it, and then this silent disco breaks into a big Bollywood number.
Yeah, a la Karan Johar.
And-
But you know, like the people who don't hear the music will always find the people dancing to their own music really stupid.
Yeah.
I was just saying something like that, no?
Yeah.
Those who dance are considered insane by those who don't hear the music. And now I'm taking you to Anushka Sharma. Wait, let's hear for the music. Let's groove a bit. Groove a bit.
Hi.
Let the music die, then I'll ask you something.
What the hell you guys are doing?
I know, nothing. I want to ask you a couple of questions. Firstly, Anushka, why are you late?
Because you were late.
I've been shooting since 10 in the morning.
You reached at 9:50. I followed.
And I was ready by 10:15. Is Anushka late today?
Anushka was very unwell last night, and so she's pretty much on time.
Kuch mandavli hui thi? Okay, tell us something about this song. Like, what do you feel?
The song is a lot of fun.
My God.
Lot of fun. The lyrics are insane, crazy, mental, and we're having a good time shooting it. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I think the steps are also quirky.
What are the lines?
song in general is
What are the
quirky.
lines?
अंग्रेजी चिड़िया के खातिर देसी दिल मेरा तोड़ दिया मैंने छोड़ दिया इसे छोड़े ऐसा ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग
दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया ओ दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया मेरे भैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया मेरे भैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
I hurt myself yesterday, remember?
Where?
I thought I did not, but I did.
What happened?
Here and here.
Oh, what happened?
I fell on something,
On what?
on an apple box.
On an apple box?
Yeah, and Karan Johar has not said, oh my god, you fell down. He said, oh, you're falling.
You fell. Aw. Hi.
Hi, I like your jacket.
It's my new
Karan,
door.
I'm telling you one thing, guys, hold on. This is on record. It's raining so badly that it might get like flooded
You say
completely, and we
it's-
might not even reach back
You say it's
home.
torrential weather. You don't say it's raining badly.
It's raining terribly.
You have a bad English.
I went to like government school now. I don't know about you and all your fancy education and all, but I can't help it now. I know what I know.
It is raining badly.
It is raining very badly outside. It's going mental, the rain. Crazy. It's just dropping.
Oh,
Torrential.
these
Say, repeat after me, torrential.
Torrential. It's torrential rain
Say
today.
3 big words, Ranbir, that you've learned recently.
Was that word I used?
Inconsequential interview.
What's that word I used yesterday and you laughed?
Fornication.
No, the other one.
Fornication.
Something I said, no, it's
Let it be.
j'ai pas d'eau, and you said, no, it's
Repertoire. Yeah, he called it repertoire when it was repartee.
repartee.
He said repertoire. And then he once he was meaning to say profound, but he said,
Prophetic.
and what is prolific?
Prolific?
You, Karan.
Ah, well done. Someone knows their language.
I learned yesterday.
On that note, I'm going to sign off and send Anushka Sharma into the frame. We'll be right back, but only after you break, because we never do.
अरे मेरे सोए आसमानों को वेकअप कर दिया तो तेरे सैया जी से तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
Got it. Moving on. Closer.